Do you ever struggle with vocal weight? Does your voice sometimes feel heavy or sluggish, like it just doesn't want to move? One of the most effective ways to lighten that load is to incorporate vocal agility work into your vocal exercise routine. As I often remind my students, if someone asks you to sprint, you're probably going to set down the heavy suitcases first. And this week's warm-up is designed to help you do just that. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month is Agility Month at COVO, and we are learning that vocal agility isn't just about singing fast notes. It's about how quickly and efficiently your voice can respond in all sorts of different ways, whether you're moving between pitches, navigating registers, or coordinating rhythm and text. And today, we're going to focus on that last aspect of agility, Agile Diction. Agile Diction is the ability to move the articulators, the jaw, the lips, the tongue, and the soft palate quickly and precisely without interrupting the flow of your sound. As the famous vocal pedagogue Richard Miller once wrote, a quickly occurring consonant need not interrupt the legato any more than a twig. A twig cast upon a flowing mountain stream impedes the current. But most of us have to work at that. When the articulators are slow or overworking, they tend to drag on the voice. You feel that heaviness, loss of clarity, maybe a kind of stuck sensation, especially in the higher range. So in this workout, we're training those structures, the jaw, the lips, the tongue, and the palate, to stay mobile, efficient, and out of the way so the voice can move. In our first exercise, we will sing the repeated syllables digga, digga, trying to move the jaw as little as possible while the tongue does most of the work. Try that with me. Digga, 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 digga. In this particular consonant combination, the tongue is doing a bit of a seesaw. The tip of the tongue lifts to make the D, and then for the G, the action shifts to the back of the tongue, which lifts towards the soft palate. So you get this alternating pattern, front of the tongue, back of the tongue, front, back, while the jaw hopefully stays relatively quiet. Let's try it slowly. Digga, 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 digga. Again. Digga, 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 digga. As we move up in pitch, we'll speed up little by little. If your tongue starts to feel tangled or uncoordinated, that's completely normal. This is exactly the kind of exercise that trains faster, more efficient movement. Here we go. Digga, 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 digga. Digga, 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 digga. Digga, 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 digga. Digga, 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 digga. Digga, 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 digga. Digga, 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 digga. Great job. In our next exercise, we will work with the 6 plosive consonants in English. First, b, d, g. These are voiced ones, and then p, t, k, p, t, k. They're unvoiced siblings. So these patterns move across 3 points of articulation. First, the lips, b, b, p, p, p. Then the tongue to the alveolar ridge right back here behind your front teeth, d, d, t, t, t. And then finally, the back of the tongue to the soft palate, g, g, k. As you pronounce these in order, the work shifts from the front to the middle to the back, the lips to the tongue tip to the tongue back. So if the first exercise felt like a seesaw, this one is more like a relay race. Each articulator takes a quick turn and passes the work along. So let's try this slowly at first. The top line syllables. Ba-di-ga, 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 ba. Again. Ba-di-ga, 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 ba. And again, as we move up in pitch, we will increase our tempo little by little. Ba-di-ga, 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 ba. 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 Phew! Now, we will do the same set of pitches again, but we're going to sing the bottom line syllables this time. The movement of the articulators will be exactly the same, but now the consonants are unvoiced, meaning they are created without vocal cord vibration. So, pa to ka. Pa-di-ka, 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 pa. 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 A little faster. Pa-di-ka, 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 pa. Phew! Pa-di-ka, 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 pa. I think those are harder. I don't know why. Now for our final exercise, which we will use to stretch up into our higher range, we're all going to feel like we are ready for a Renaissance madrigal choir, as our lyrics here are fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la. Try that, just the first 2 measures, nice and slow. Fa la 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 la. Then we do it upside down, the second 2 measures. Try that with me. Second 2 measures. Fa la 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 la. Now, what I want you to notice here is that the L, la la la, can be made with a movement of the tongue. No jaw movement is needed. The tip of the tongue just lifts to that ridge just behind the upper teeth. Learning to move the tongue independently from the jaw is especially useful in the upper range where the jaw may need to stay tall and released to support resonance goals. You can still do L's with just your tongue open tall. La, 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 la. So see if you can keep your jaw stable. Whole thing. Fa, la, 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 la. Fa, la, 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 la. If you'd like, you can put two hands or one hand on your jaw to help stabilize it, to make sure that it's your tongue that's doing the agile work. If and when this gets too high for you, you can jump down the octave or just take a break till we come back down. As we come back down, let's try speeding it up a little. Great job. So I hope this routine helped your voice feel lighter, fresher, more responsive. While you did great training for the jaw, the lips, and the tongue in moving quickly without overworking. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we've got more for you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and details on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routines, you can subscribe to the channel or use the link below to have each new vocal exercise of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is the key to your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.